Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start home insurance with Allstate, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start home insurance with Allstate, first visit the Allstate website. Look for the section dedicated to home insurance. Here, you'll find detailed information about coverage options. Take a moment to review the different types of policies available. Once you're familiar with your options, click on the Get a Quote button. You will need to enter your zip code to proceed. Next, provide information about your home. This may include details like the year it was built, its square footage, and any upgrades. Make sure to include information about safety features, like smoke detectors and security systems. Fill out the personal information form with your name, phone number, and email address. After submitting your information, you'll receive a preliminary quote. Review the proposed policy limits and deductibles carefully. Consider whether the coverage amounts meet your needs. If you're satisfied with the quote, you can proceed to the application. Create an account on the Allstate website if prompted. Once your account is set up, you'll be able to finalize your application. During this process, you may need to upload additional documentation. After completing the application, review all details for accuracy. Submit your application to Allstate for approval. Once approved, you will receive a final policy document. Review your policy details to understand your coverage. Make your first payment to activate your home insurance policy. After your payment is processed, you will have full coverage. Stay in contact with your Allstate agent for any future adjustments or questions. Congratulations, you are now covered with Allstate Home Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.